We have finished KCPE very well. At least all the candidates, we did not have so many challenges when we were handling the issues of KCPE. And so far, so good. There are only some few challenges only that where the students never turned up for the exams. About 79 candidates, absent candidates from our county, the whole county. But in all the sub-counties, exams went on very smoothly. We never had any hitch at all. Even the issues of insecurity, issues of transport, center managers were ready, and I think wamezoea sasa kazi ya kufanya.